I am so excited to share with you guys yung isa sa pinaka-importanteng bagay sa buhay ko. Charot! Hindi, kasi tayong mga babae naman is mahilig tayong bumibili, mahilig tayong magpakikay, mahilig tayong magpaganda. So ako, meron akong gamit na nagagamit ko talaga siya everyday. So I'm so excited na ipakita sa inyo. And yes, ipapakita ko na siya. Me again, Sheila, and welcome to another vlog. Now, before I will start this vlog, I just want to say thank you so much sa lahat ng sumuporta at sa lahat ng nanood ng first vlog ko. Maraming salamat po. I am so happy. I am so overwhelmed, and I read all your comments. Nakakataba po ng puso. So, I am more inspired to make more contents for you. So, ngayon sa vlog na to, I am so excited to share with you guys yung isa sa pinaka-importanteng bagay sa buhay ko. Charot! Hindi, kasi tayong mga babae naman is mahilig tayong bumibili, mahilig tayong magpakikay, mahilig tayong magpaganda. So ako, meron akong gamit na nagagamit ko talaga siya everyday. So I'm so excited na ipakita sa inyo. And yes, ipapakita ko na siya or ipapakita ko na yung bag na to. So this bag is may makeup bag. Dito yung mga makeups na ginagamit ko before I go to work, before ako lumalabas ng bahay. So, andito lahat. And this bag is very important kasi yun, I love makeups. Kasi bata pa ako, mahilig na talaga ako mag-makeup. So, I remember before, pag wala yung mama ko sa bahay, kinukuha ko yung lipstick niya, nag-lipstick ako, and then nag-arte-arte ako sa salamin. So, ngayon is, pwede na akong mag-makeup. Natuto naman ako through YouTube tutorials, and then paminsan-minsan nag-experiment ako sa Facebook kung anong bagay, kung ano yung mga pang combine ng mga colors and everything. So, yes, I am excited to share with you guys kung ano talaga ang laman nito. So, let's start. So, first, when you open this one, by the way, this bag is just, I got this one for free from Watson. So, meron itong kakambal. This is also another makeup bag. Actually, this bag, yung laman nito is yung mga makeups na hindi ko gaanong ginagamit. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, dito muna tayo mag-focus. So, yes, when you open, actually, ano siya hindi siya medyo organized para sa akin kasi makalat ako minsan. Yes, ito. Yes. This one. So, we'll start with my brushes. Most of my brushes are for my kilay. Pero, hindi ko naman sila ginagamit lahat everyday. So, depende lang. Mood kasi ako So, I have this brush. Ito, hindi ko na to ginagamit kasi medyo ano na siya Then, ito is for my powder. And then, 2 brushes are for eyeshadow. Then, ito. Ito, meron tong set to So, I got this one from Lazada around 2 years ago. So, meron siyang set. I tried buying at Lazada. And then, okay naman siya. Nagagamit siya. Madali siya mag-blend. So, yon. And then, this 3 brush is for my kilay. Yes. So, the brand, one is from BTLA. And then, isa is, I think this one is from Fashion 21. And then, isa is from Nichido. So, very obvious na obsessed tayo sa kilay. So, dapat kilay on fleek tayo lalabas ng bahay. Then, I also have here yung pang-forma ng kilay. Yes. So, meron din ako dito. And then, meron din akong liquid eyeliner. So, ito, the brands are Pop and BYS. And wala na siyang brand. But I think this one is from Maybelline. Yes, from Maybelline, from BYS, and then from Pop. And then, I also have sprays here. This one is a face mist from Fresh Skin Lab. Ito, and then this one is a makeup setting spray from Nichido. So this, I will spray it on my face after putting some makeup. Ito. And then, I also have this pore reducing cream kasi open kasi yung pore ko. And then, prone talaga ako sa mga acne. So, I am experimenting kung ano yung makakapag-close ng pores ko. So, eto, but hindi po ako consistent sa paglagay nito. I usually put this one at night. And I'm not sure if I'm using it right. At I'm not sure if it works or it's working. Pero yes, hopefully. This one is from Fresh Skin Lab also. And I also have here my foundation. It's from Maybelline. It's Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation. Yes, I bought this one. This is my second bottle already. The first time I bought this one, I asked the demo or the beauty advisor kung ano yung bagay sa face ko, sa skin ko. So, she recommended me this one, and feel ko naman nag-match siya sa skin tone ko. So, yes, ito. Then, I also have powders from Maybelline and BTLA. So, this one, I bought this one around last month kasi nag-sale siya. Meron siyang free na lipstick. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And then, this one, the shade is Ivory. And then, itong powder na to, isang shade lang is number 3, Natural. Ito. So, sometimes I'll use this one. Sometimes I'll use this one. So, mood lang talaga tayo kung anong gusto natin gamitin, diba? And then, meron din akong concealer. Actually, marapit na siyang maubos. So, need ko nang mag-buy again. But, gusto kong maubos talaga siya ng sobra. Kasi sayang naman eh. And then, this one is from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer with a shade of light, number 10. So, ito, ginagamit ko siya pang conceal ng mga eye bags, ng mga ano, and everything. So, ito, ginagamit ko. And I have here, for my eyelashes. So, ito, na-erase na siya yung brand. But this one is from, I think this one is also from Maybelline. So, these two is from Maybelline, or from Maybelline.
NANI?
And then, I have here a blush on from Into It. Yes. Sheer Shimmer Blush. 0SB09 Allure Pearl. Yeah, ito. I bought this one before ng ECQ around February. And then, hindi siya nauubos agad. So, meron siyang all-in na pina-highlight na siya dito. So, pag ilalagay mo siya sa face mo, parang nag-highlight ka na rin. And, ito. Then, this one is from Nichido with a shade of Tomato. So, paubos na rin. Parang nasira na siya. But, ayoko pa rin siyang i-dispose kasi nagagamit ko siya. And then, this is my favorite shade from Shiela na blush on, powder blush. And then, this is my favorite sunscreen. It's a tinted sunscreen from Bello. Bello Sun Expert Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen with an SPF 50. So, this one, ginagamit ko siya before ako mag-put ng makeup. So, nilalagay ko siya talaga dito kasi para isa na yung mga gamit ko. So, ito, ginagamit ko siya ngayon, this one, kasi naka face mask na tayo. So, ito yung preferred ko na blush on. Actually, ito, hindi ko na siya nagagamit ng todo kasi nagmamask na tayo. So, medyo mas-sustain yung mask. So, ito, yung cheek tint na to, yung ginagamit ko halos everyday na. So, yung mga pa-drunk blush. So, ito, This one is from Everbelana Advanced Lip and Cheek Stain. Ito lang yung ginagamit ko as blush on already since naka-mask na tayo. Hindi to gaano nasustain sa mask ko. I'm not sure sa inyo, but sa akin, yes, hindi. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Also, this one, we can use also this one as a lipstick or as a lip tint. Yes, ito. It's very good. It's very nice. And, I also have, yes, this one is my, ginagamit ko to pang kilay. This one is from LA Girl, a gel liner, Gel 724 Brown. Ito, from LA Girl. Meron siyang free na brush. Actually, hindi ko siya napakita kanina, but, meron siyang free. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Partner sila. So, this is from LA Girl. Then, nice to. Mas prefer ko yung ito, yung gel liner. I tried pencil, pero mas madali pag ganito with this one. And then, yung brush na lang na ganito yung ginagamit ko. Or, minsan-minsan, this brush. Depende. So, I'll use this brushes for my kilay and this gel liner for my kilay. Then, I have a petroleum jelly kasi nadadry yung lips ko sometimes, maybe because of my braces, but ginagamit ko to, minsan-minsan nilalagay ko dito, nagdadry kasi yung lips ko. And then I have a curler, eyelash curler from Nichido. Then I have also this one, it's a mineral loose eyeshadow. I'm not sure where I got this one, but I think my mom gave this to me. She gave it to me, ang tagal na, hindi ko na ma-remember, but minsan-minsan, ginagamit ko to. Loose eyeshadow. So, I have a highlighter from Vice Cosmetics. Yes, ito. Kita ba? From Vice Cosmetics. So, sometimes ko lang nagagamit to recent kasi naka-mask na-sustain kasi yung mask kung maraming makeup na ilalagay. Then, this is also for my kilay. O, diba? Obvious naman na very tayo sa kilay natin na gusto natin na on fleek talaga siya everyday, all day. So, this one is a brow gel. Kasi yung strands ng kilay ko are black. And then, yung hair ko is medyo brown or nagpakulay ako ng buhok ko. So, kailangan matchy siya. Yun yung sabi nila sa akin. So, kailangan matchy. And then, this tinted brow gel is from Nichido with the shade of, meron na tong shade? Yes, meron to. It's espresso. So, yan. Para mag-brown lang siya. Yung strands ng hair ng kilay ko. And then, I have here lipsticks. Yes. So, ito yung lipsticks ko na paminsan-minsan ko lang nagagamit talaga kasi hindi na siya medyo na-expose. Pero, nagli-lipstick naman ako for myself. Hindi, charot lang. So, ito, I have three ba? Yes, I have 3 lipsticks from Maybelline. So, ito talagang touch of nude and touch of spice. Ito yung favorite ko na lipstick nila. Grabe, ganda. Nagagandahan talaga ako nito. And it's very, ito, ubos na. So, hindi pa ako nakabili ng bago. And then, this one is, meron pa siyang laman. Maganda siya. Gusto ko talaga siya. So, nagagamit ko siya paminsan-minsan. Paglalabas ako. Before, at work, ito yung ginagamit kong lipstick. And then, I bought this one. Hindi trip ko lang kasi mag-pink na lipstick nun. So, bumili ako. I tried this one. Nagandahan ako. Nagandahan naman ako. From BYS, Velvet Lipstick. So, I bought this one a few months ago. I think before, mga February or January. This one. And then this one is Mary Kay. Yes. Actually, matagal na to sa akin. Hindi ko lang gusto i-dispose kasi medyo pricey kasi siya para sa akin. Gusto ko siyang i-keep kahit hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Gusto ko siyang i-keep. Medyo pricey siya. With this shade of red. Yan. Okay, so these are my lipsticks. So, napakita ko na. So, yan. Yan lang po yung laman ng makeup bag na to. And then, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo ang laman ng isa kong makeup bag, yung kakambal niya. Free rin to. So, mahilig tayo sa mga pa-free. So, this one, ito yung mga makeups na hindi ko gano'ng ginagamit. Hindi ko pa nagagamit. So, I forgot this one. My eyeshadow. This one, ito yung ginagamit ko. Nandito siya actually. Nandito siya sa bag na to. Nandito siya sa part na to. So, ito yung favorite ko. Kasi, ngayon na nagmamask tayo, gusto ko na ano yung mata ko. Yun lang yung panlaban ko. So, ito yung ginagamit ko everyday. This one. Yes. And then, 3 or 4 lang na color yung nagagamit ko dito. This one, at saka this one. So, sometimes ito para yung gusto kong medyo dark talaga yung eyeshadow ko. But, kung casual lang, ginagamit ko is ito at saka ito. So yan, this one, favorite ko to. Kaso lang, hindi ko nagagamit ito. Kasi, I'm not sure. Hindi ko lang bet. But, the rest of the colors, gusto ko talaga. Ito. From UYS, Berries 2. Yes. I got this one last December. Nag-sale din sila. So, binili ko to. And then, ito, we'll proceed na for this one. Yes. Ito, yung lalagyanan ng I'm not sure, pero nabili ko to last December. May ano to, sponge. Yes, lalagyanan ng sponge. Kaso, ewan ko kung nasa na yung sponge niya. Yes, sorry. Then, I also have here, meron pa akong mga makeups na hindi ko pa nagamit. I bought it recent lang kasi nag-sale. And then, ito, this one is from BYS. Nag-buy one, take one sila. So, I bought this one. Grinab ko lang yung opportunity. So, this one is a brow gel and this one is a liquid eyeliner. The same with the liquid eyeliner that I've been using sa BYS. Ito. So, extra ko lang to in case na maubusan. So, ito is brow gel also. I want to try this one. Hindi ko pa na-try yung brow gel niya kasi nila. So, LA, yung ginagamit ko is from LA. And then, gusto kong gamitin to. Yes. Okay. Then, ito, diba sabi ko sa inyo, when I bought this one, this powder, meron siyang free na lipstick. So, ito yung lipstick niya. Hindi ko pa talaga siya nagamit with the shade of cinnamon. Then, meron akong final powder from Nichido. Hindi ko na talaga ito nagamit. I'm not sure bakit. Pero yes, nilagay ko lang siya dito para hindi sayang. So, yung shade niya is So Natural. A product of gold. Yes. Ito, So Natural. And then, I have for my lashes, a Lash Blast Volume from CoverGirl. My mama gave this to me. Then, I also have from L'Oreal Voluminous Hydrofuge. I think this one is for eyelashes also. Bigay rin to ng mama ko. Ito. And then, I have here from Maybelline Lipstick. So, ito, I tried this one kasi naku-curious ako. Kaso, hindi ko siya nagagamit ngayon. Hindi ko siya ganong nagamit. Ito. And then, a hydrating foundation also from Maybelline. My mama also gave this to me. So, mahilig din yung mama ko mag-makeup. So, minsan-minsan ina-arbor ko yung makeup niya kung gusto ko. And then, meron din akong eyeshadow This is Naked from Naked Urban Decay. My mama gave this to me. I think her best friend her gave her this eyeshadow. And then, paminsan-minsan, pag may special occasion, kasi mahal to eh. Feel ko mahal ko to. So, pag may special occasion lang to ginagamit. Yes. Ano rin eh, nice din yung mga, yung mga colors, mga natural, mga neutral, ganon. So, yes, I think napakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung mga makeups na ginagamit ko. Yes, kung ano, wala na kasi siyang laman. Tapos na tayo. And marami-rami din tayong napakita. Yan, ito. Ito siya lahat. So, yan. So, nagagamit talaga siya sa atin. Especially for us girls. Kasi gusto natin lalabas tayo ng bahay and very presentable tayo. Gusto natin very pretty tayo. Diba? So, yun, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you have any suggestions for my next contents, for my future vlogs, you can comment down below. And don't forget to click like, of course, share, and please do subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!